Hello everyone. I am Miss Deepti is going to start a new chapter, chapter number 3. Chapter number 3, separation of substances. Separation of substances. So, let's get started. First of all, what are the objectives? As we are studying the chapter number 3, separation of substances. So what are the objectives? In this chapter, we're going to study what are pure substances and what are mixtures, and what is the difference between pure substance and mixture. Secondly, we're going to study what is the need for separation. As the name of the chapter is separation of substances, so what is the need for separation? Third one, we're going to study the methods, how we can separate. Methods of separation like filtration, sedimentation and so on. Fourth one, what is solution, which will tell us what is solubility and what are soluble components, what are insoluble components and so on. So let's get started. So first of all, we will start with our first point. First point, pure substances and mixtures. So let us understand what are pure substances. Now, if I talk about pure substances, so it is a substance that is made up of only one kind. Remember, only one kind of atoms or molecules. Fine. Remember the key term that a substance which is made up of only one kind of atoms or molecules. For example, copper. Water. So let us move on to the next one. What is a mixture? Now, if I say a mixture, what does that mean? A mixture, it is a substance. It is a substance that contains two. Remember, two, or it can be more also. It can be 3, 4, 5. Two or more different substances mixed together. Say for example, I am having in a glass water is there, and if I add salt into it, fine, so this will become a mixture. Let us move on to the next one, types of mixtures. So what are the types of mixtures? Now moving on to the types of mixtures. Now based on the state. Remember, I am using the word state. Based on the state. How many states are there? It can be solid, it can be liquid, and it can be gas. So based on the state of components that are mixed together, the mixture can be classified into moving on to the first one, solid mixture. Now understand the term solid means in this both the components will be in solid form. Example, salt and pepper. Now if I talk about salt, it is a solid. If I talk about pepper, it is a solid. Fine. Moving on to the second one, solid liquid mixture. Solid liquid mixture. Now in this, one component is in solid state and the other one is in liquid state. Example, sugar and water. Sugar and water. Now if I say sugar is in solid state and water is in liquid. So can I say this as solid liquid mixture? Yes. Now moving on to the third category. Third category, liquid mixture. Liquid mixture. Now the example for liquid mixture is water and ink. Water and ink. Now the water, it is in liquid state. Similarly, if I say about ink, it is also in liquid state. So now understood the mixture? Liquid mixture. Clear the concept?